Read the following sentences. Ali is a clever boy. Boy of what kind? I don't like that boy. Which boy? He gave me 2 mangoes. How many mangoes? There is little time for preparation. How much time? In sentence 1, clever describes the boy Ali. In sentence 2, Dad points out which boy is meant. In sentence 3, 2 shows how many mangoes he gave me. In sentence 4, little show how much time there is for preparation. A word used with a noun to describe or point out or to tell the number or quantity is called an adjective. So we may define an adjective as a word used with a noun to add something for its meaning. Attributive and predicative adjectives. An adjective usually comes right before a noun. When an adjective that comes before the noun it modifies is called an attributive adjective. It tells the quality or attribute of noun. The lazy boy was punished. In this sentence, the adjective lazy is used along with the noun boy as an attribute. It is therefore said to be used attributively. When an adjective follows a linking verb such as be or seem, it is called predicative adjective. Let's understand. The boy is lazy. In this sentence, the adjective lazy is used along with the verb is and forms part of the predicate. It is therefore said to be used predicatively. Some adjective can be used only predicatively, as she is afraid of ghosts. I am quite well.